Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here today. I've got this brand new delivery and it is actually available as of today. It just showed up. This boat's very loaded, 250 SDX with a 300 horsepower Verado. Color matched in white to the rest of the boat. This has the Elite package, which gives you the water sports tower and large bimini, as well as the beautiful LED lighting that you see throughout. And this 250 is really unique because it's got a convertibility option here on the back, where this can flip around and unlock it and slide it back to give you this huge swim platform while you're at the sandbar. If you want to go cruising with friends and family, just flip it back around, right back to where we started with lots of room here in the cockpit. So walk on through here. You've got lots of seating, lots of lounging options for up to 14 people. Both of your backrests are going to be forward or aft facing. We've got a full glass panel display with 12-inch Simrad. All of your charts, your bottom finder, all of your engine gauges, navigation, everything is going to be contained right there. Because this is not your traditional center walkthrough, we've got a side console which gives you access to the deep V. Nice size head. You've got almost a 5-foot stand-up height in there. Plus, we can drop this cushion down and it converts into a mini cuddy, great for kids to get out of the sun. Nice tall gunnel with an easy walk through to the front. Gives you seating for about 6 more people with a built-in cooler, so you don't have to get up and walk to the back. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any of the other awesome boats you see behind me, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.